Hey, what is up? Today I was at my local thrift store and didn't really find anything, and then I noticed this store next door. I've literally been there like probably 30 times and never noticed this store. It's called Sendex, and it's like a Spanish Latino import grocery store. And I was like, whoa, I gotta check this out. So I went in there and I bought like a whole bunch of snacks, chips, chocolate bars, because I'd never tried any of them before, and that's what we're gonna do today. You're gonna have to forgive me because my Spanish is bad. Okay, I'm like on level 2 of Duolingo, and I only know basic phrases from the few times that I've been to Mexico. I can ask where the bathroom is, ¿Dónde está el baño? And gracias. And that's about it. So please forgive me for butchering all of the names of these. I'm going to show you each one as I try it. Some of them have English descriptions on them, some of them don't. So some of them I have absolutely zero idea of what they are. So first up we have Banderilla. Like I said, forgive me if I can't say this stuff. This is natural tamarind fruit candy with salt and chili. And it is a product of Mexico. It's like, oh, it's red and it doesn't smell that great. Here we go. It's not very good. I gotta spit it out now. Alright, so I'm gonna describe that candy as, if you worked chili powder into a paste and then you chewed it, that's what that is. Ew. Next we have some Doritos Incognita. I'm not sure what flavors these are, but there's a very happy man on the front of the package. And these are a product of Mexico. Here we go. Ooh, they kind of smell like, I don't know. That's what they look like. All right, they're not spicy at all. They're actually kind of like a chili lime flavor. They're pretty decent. You're all right. It's probably like the best Dorito chip I've ever had too. Next we have a Carlos V bar. This is also a product of Mexico, and I think this is just milk chocolate. Carlos V. Jamongos? Question mark? See, no. Let's try this. It's just very bland, regular chocolate. There is nothing special about that. Kind of a weird aftertaste. Moving on. Next we have some Fritos. They are lime, I think, because I'm going by the picture of a lime and it says limon. Also a product of Mexico. Well, those just smell heavenly. So that is what the corn chip looks like. And that corn chip is amazeballs. Holy smokes. The best corn chip I have ever had. Oh, that is good. This next one is a Nestle Super 8. This is also a product of Mexico. Other than it being a Super 8, I have no freaking idea what's inside of it. So let's find out. Oh, it looks like it could be like a wafer bar. Smells like it could be a wafer bar. It's just a chocolate covered wafer bar. It's pretty good. Ooh. There's like a caramel flavor in the middle. That is very good. Super 8, super great. Oh my god, that was lame. Take off this happy man here so you can see the packaging. Is Fritos Chorizo Chipotle. Also a product of Mexico. Okay, though, those smell very spicy. And they're kind of on the dark side there. They kind of smell like they have just straight chili powder all over them. Those are gross. Those are horrible. I have really bad experiences with any chips that are meat flavored. And it kind of just tastes like meaty feet that are spicy. Whew. Next up is Coco Cell, I think. Product of, oh, sorry, no, not a product of Mexico, it's a product of Colombia. Oh, it has English on it. Cookie filled with coconut cream. Ooh, that sounds amazing. It's like a wafer cookie. It's got, you can see there's stuff in the middle, so I hope this one's good. 10 out of 10, that is freaking delicious. That is really good. Got a couple things left. Another bag of chips. I'm gonna take off the happy thing that's on the front of it. Ruffles Queso chips. And there's a very cool man on the back with a chip head. They smell very good. They look very good. I'm disappointed. They taste like weird cheese. I'm just gonna put that back in there. Sushi bar? Also a product of Mexico, and I think it's some kind of wafer with a cream filling, but I'm not sure because it's, I know creme is cream, but it's like chocolate in the middle. And it's even better than the Coco Cell bar. Very large assortment of flavors in my mouth at the moment. Those chorizo chips were probably top 5 and grossest things I've had. So yeah, those are really disgusting. I don't ever want to eat those again. Thank you very much for tuning in this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, you know, if you're feeling classy. It also makes me happy. Anyways, bye!